Okay, welcome back to the Boostly Tune-Up, and we are into now video 3 of the little mini series of Boostly Tune-Up for In on the Why, where in these videos I am helping give their business a bit of a boost, a bit of a kick on social media and boosting their email list with a social media giveaway using Kingsumo. So as you can see in yesterday's podcast episode, we went through the process of making it stand out, filled in a few forms, and I just showed you how to do that. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to share with you one of the beautiful things I love about Kingsumo. Now, what we know with the psyche of a giveaway is that people love to win. As soon as they enter it, they will do everything that they can to win. And the beauty of Kingsumo is bonus entries. Now, I love this. So when somebody enters a giveaway, they get taken to the next screen and it says, if you want more chances to win, simply follow below. So they get 1 point for entering the giveaway. And as you can see here, we've got the ability to add in more different options. And when the user does that option, they get more entries into the giveaway. You don't have to keep track of it. Kingsumo keeps track of this, which is awesome. Now, you can have little things like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, subscribe on YouTube, subscribe to our podcast, daily entries, click a link, or watch a YouTube video. So if you are somebody that has got lots of social media channels and you want people to go and follow you on all the channels, and this is a really good one. But also as well, the one that I really love here is click a link. So basically with the click a link option, and I'll bring it up here, if there's a specific website page that you want someone to go and check out, whether it's a video or something that you want to go and do an action on, then you can leave it here, which really goes in nicely with what I'm going to show you tomorrow in tomorrow's video. But it really does give you the flexibility to be really bespoke with what you want your users to do. And if there's a specific action that you want somebody to do, then you can reward them with more points. So for example, when they're on the next screen, and if it's got 2 for liking us on Facebook, 2 for liking us on Instagram, maybe 2 for visiting our website, if you really want to grow your Instagram following, then you'll just change the entries instead of 2 to 10. And someone will see, well, literally by following them on Instagram, I can get 10 entries into this giveaway, and I really want to win this giveaway. So you can do that, and it can make it really, really stand out. So you're going to get people that will enter this that will maybe do none of them, they'll do 1 of them, or they'll do all of them. The trick here, and I like to limit it to between 5 and 7. You don't want to do too many, because what we're going to do over the course of the days of the giveaway, if anybody's followed my giveaway training, we're not just going to set and forget this. We're actually going to go back in and we're going to add in more entry actions along the way to really pique the interest of people that are entering this giveaway, which is fantastic. Okay, so bear that in mind, because we are going to definitely come back to this. For now, all I've done is Facebook like, Instagram like, and click on a link, so go visit the website. Integrations, this is where we link it up to our MailChimp. Okay, so as you'll see in episode 1 of this little mini series, I integrated MailChimp and Kingsumo, and I've got a list. Okay, so anybody who signs up will instantly go into our MailChimp list, and the EU consent guide, we're going to checkpoint it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go save, and the giveaway is launched. Okay, now one thing again that I love about Kingsumo is it gives you some ideas on what you can do to promote this giveaway, which is great. We will definitely come back to these. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the giveaway page. So once this section is here, it says go to your giveaway page. So as you can see, this giveaway is due to go live very soon. And then this is the image, so a nice standout image, and it's called Win on the Why, which is always nice. And when this is open, so we're going to come back tomorrow, and I'm going to show you how people can enter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is now up and running, more or less. Fantastic. We've done everything that we need to do. Again, it takes 5 minutes. Super simple. And I would love for you at home, if you're not doing so already, try doing a giveaway as soon as possible and let me know, mark@boostly.co.uk, how you got on. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you what to do next. Because one of the main mistakes that 90% of business owners that I see when it comes to giveaways is they set it and then they forget it. And that's how they fail. Well, I'm going to show you how to consistently promote this, ways to promote it, tactics and tips on how to promote this. And we're going to cover that in tomorrow's video. So please do come back. Thank you very much for stopping by. And as always, if this is the first time you're tuning in to a podcast episode, then do go back. We've got over 300 episodes for you to do so. And there's loads of tactics, tools, and tips that you can do to increase your direct bookings. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mark Simpson. Do go check out boostly.co.uk for a 5-step guide on how you can boost your direct bookings right now. Until then, I'll be back tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.